If your video borescope is needing repair, ViewTech Borescopes has options and can repair your articulating video borescope. For more than a decade, we have been repairing ViewTech Borescopes and RF System Lab video borescopes. Additionally, ViewTech Borescopes can assist with alternatives if you have another brand of video borescope with broken articulation or a video borescope that requires a repair that is too expensive for your company to afford. ViewTech Borescopes video borescope repair process is simple and straightforward, as are your borescope repair costs. To start your ViewTech Borescope repair, call us at 231-943-1171 or contact us online at viewtech.com. Our borescope repair specialists will collect the required information, issue your repair contact and RMA, and provide borescope repair shipping details. We understand that being without a visual inspection tool can disrupt critical business operations. ViewTech Borescopes clients can take advantage of no-cost loaner video borescopes to use during your video borescope repair process. If you have a video borescope being repaired by another borescope repair service and need a loaner video borescope to demo or rent, ViewTech can help. Call 231-943-1171 to speak with our borescope experts, and ViewTech Borescopes will send you an inspection videoscope to use while your borescope is being repaired by another service facility.